Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Struggling with thin eyebrows and sparse eyelashes? Or wishing for naturally fuller, thicker eyebrows and longer lashes without extensions or harsh chemicals? Discover Castor's Eyebrow and Eyelash Growth Oil and Serum. Made from 100% natural herbs like castor oil and biotin extracts. Apply daily to eyebrows for thicker, fuller growth in just 30 days. Massage gently into eyelashes for longer, stronger lashes naturally. For fuller brows and longer lashes, gently apply the oil twice daily for best results. It nourishes hair follicles, promoting faster eyebrow regrowth. Boosts collagen for voluminous lashes without extensions. Herbal extracts that strengthen roots for fuller brows and lashes. See visible eyebrow thickness in as little as 30 days. Eyelashes become denser and more defined effortlessly. Experience visibly fuller brows and longer lashes with consistent daily use. No side effects, just pure herbal power for beauty enhancement. Users report fuller brows and enhanced confidence in weeks. Safe for daily use on sensitive areas like eyes and skin. Transform your look with Castor's Miracle Serum. Order now and start your 30-day journey to natural beauty. Visit Castor website today for exclusive discounts. Unlock thicker brows, longer lashes, and natural curves, naturally. To buy the product, the link in the bio or description. Please subscribe our channel and like the video.